Camping can be amazing, unless you're stuck in the dark, seasoningless meals, and fighting to get a fire started. But fear not, fellow campers. Here are 5 hacks to turn your trip into a cozy, well-lit, gourmet getaway. First up, let's make some light. Use a water bottle and a headlamp. Boom! Instant lantern. This hack turns your tent from spooky shadows to cozy cabin vibes. Next, bring some flavor to those campfire meals. Use empty Tic Tac boxes for your favorite spices. Now you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Tired of struggling to start a fire? Use cotton balls and Vaseline. Coat them, and they burn longer than regular tinder. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to toasted marshmallows. Ever lost your soap in the dirt? Here's a fix. Put your soap in pantyhose and tie it to a tree. It dries faster and is always accessible. Lastly, keep your matches dry. Use a pill bottle with sandpaper inside the lid. No more damp matches ruining your night. And there you have it. 5 easy camping hacks to make you look like a pro. If you found these tips helpful, light up that like button, subscribe for more, and stay bright out there, campers.